This invitation style is trending on Etsy. So today I am going to recreate my own original version in Canva. First, let's open Canva and choose your design size. If you are using pixels, set the size 1080 into 1920 pixels. Once you enter the size, click create design and Canva will open a blank page. The first thing we'll do is add our text. If you are not sure what to write, you can always ask Chat GPT for ideas. It can generate invitation wording, catchy headlines, and different text styles for almost any type of invitation. I also recommend looking at your computers first, then asking ChatGPT to create something original based on that inspiration instead of copying it. After adding the text, choose a font that matches your theme and make a few adjustments to the position. For this design, I'm going to add the text like she. A new text is select heading and now type it's a surprise. Now I'll resize. You can type anything that you want and I resize it. Choose a font that looks good and make it bold. Adjust the line spacing so text feels more balanced and attractive. It's very important step. Next, let's create the uh, large 40 because this is a 14th birthday invitation. I'll add the number 4 using a font that matches the overall design. Then resize and slightly rotate it to give the layout a more creative look. To create the zero, go to elements and search for a circle frame. Choose the drag and draw circle from frames and place it beside the number 4 and this will complete the 40. Later we simply drag our photo into the circle and the picture will automatically fill inside it, creating a beautiful and professional birthday invitation design. Now add another heading. Uh, Depending on the style you are going for, choose your own headings or subheadings that you want. And I mentioned earlier, if you ever need wording ideas, just ask ChatGPT or Gemini. It can generate invitation text for any ocean. For this time, I'm going to type, please join us to celebrate and select the font that you need. Please make sure don't use pro fonts when you are creating a digital invitation for clients. Now add more headings, different font name because I want it to stand out. It's a good idea to use a font that's slightly different from the rest of the text. So the name becomes one of the main focal points of the invitation. Spacing until everything looks balanced. And now it's good. Yeah, it feel good. Now it's time to add the remaining event details, such as day, time, and date. Arrange these however you like and keep them aligned with the overall layout. Now it's look better. Resize, resize it adjust. Next, add another section. You can write any additional message or short description that fits your invitation. The wording is completely up to you. After that, add location. You can type any venue or address as a sample because the buyer will be able to edit it later. Now, finally, we add the RSVP section. I've already explained what RSVP means in the previous tutorial, so we'll simply place it at the bottom of the invitation to complete the design. Choose any font that fits your overall design. For the RSVP details, you can include a phone number, an email address, or any contact information where guests can confirm whether they have been attending the events. That's completely up to you. Now my digital invitation is ready. Now it's time to make the final adjustments. Fine tune the alignment, spacing, and colors until everything looks clean and balanced. You can use any color palette you like, either based on your own creativity or by taking inspiration from your competitors. For this design, I'm going with a soft brown tone because I think it complements the overall look. Now it's looked like better. Now let's add the main image. You can find images from Pinterest or use any image that matches your design. I already have a few images downloaded, so I'll use one of those. Simply upload the image, place it inside the circle frame, and Canva will automatically crop and fit it perfectly. When you're creating a template for customers, using a high quality sample image makes the design look much more premium and helps buyers realize the final product. Before exporting your design, don't forget to rename your project. This makes it much easier to organize your files. And now finally click down and choose the PNG format to get the highest quality preview image. And that's it. Your birthday invitation card is now complete. Like, subscribe to the channel